Welcome all. Today in this session we are going to discuss about the debugging of your Playwright test cases. For that purpose, Playwright always recommend to open the UI mode, because in the UI mode you will see lot of options are there and you can control individual test cases, individual specs files, or you can say you can control the individual steps also. Okay, so for that purpose, what you have to do, you have to first of all open your uh, uh, Playwright test case in the debug mode. For that purpose, this is the basic command npx playwright test and this UI, and let me go here. I can simply do one thing. I can click here and let me run this command, npx, and then we write playwright, playwrigst, and then you have to write test, and then you have to write test as UI. Okay, so whenever when I'm going to run this command, what will happen, it will open my whole project. It will open my all the test cases of my playwright projects in the UI mode. So you can say that I have a lot of test cases are there, so let me but show you if I'm going to run it is working or not. So let me run it, and you can see that it is going to open a UI. Playwright test UI is open, and you can see that it is showing me all the, you can see, test case in my project. Like this one, under demo folder I have these two test cases, same I have multiple here. So I will do one thing. I will show you that if you want to debug only the particular test case or spec file under a particular folder, you can do also that one. So for that purpose, I will simply close it. And now what I'm going to do here, you can do one thing. This is a command. In this command, you can do one thing. You can simply write here this one and write tests and slash, you can say, write demo. So actually what I'm trying to do, I have running the command npx playwright test, and given this path, like it is going to open only the test case under this demo. You can say this is the hierarchy test and demo, and let me simply run it. So now this time what is going to do, it is going to open all the test case under my demo folder only. So now here I can easily tell you that how you can debug it. So there are different features. So first of all, I will start with this one. The first feature is that at the top you can say this is the run button. If you want to run all the test cases, you can simply click on this one and it is going to execute all the test cases. Okay, so that's why I choose the, you can say, only two spec files, so that it can execute you can say in very less time, and you can see other options. Okay, so let it complete. Okay, first of all, it is running this orange HRM website. This is sample website which usually people use for learning purpose, and this is my own design page, user registration page, and here I try to automate the upload functionality here. Okay, now automation is, you can say, going to be completed, and you can say the result will be appear there. Okay, here you can say that it is appeared all the test case are, you can say, passed here. Okay, you can see that passed here. And first of all, you can see that currently you can see that I am able to see that pass here, fails here. So in the top, you can say, first of all, I have option this one. Okay, if you want to see the only passed one, you can click on this one. If you want to see the failed one, you can simply click on failed one. So here you can say did not run. Why it is saying that? It is actually showing that showing the only the failed one, but in my case there is no failed one, so that's why it is not showing anything. Let me click on pass. Now it is showing this one. Second option is that okay, let me second option is that here you are able to see that it is showing me the project means it is showing that the browser on which you want to run your automation. So it is showing you the Firefox only, because in my project only the Firefox is configured. Otherwise, if I'm going to configure it, I will show you also that how you can configure different browser. So in my UI mode also, you will see that Firefox, Chromium, and different type of browsers are there, and you can select the particular browser, or if you can select 2 or 3 browser, depends on that what you want, in which browser you want to run your automation. So you can control on that. Okay, now I've shown you that if you click on that, you are going to run all the test cases. If you want to run a particular spec file, like I have this user registration, I have this Vidusi spec file. So if you want to run this one, you can simply click on that. Okay, so it is going to run only the this particular spec file. So all 2 test cases are under it, login and the claim. So it is going to execute that one. So in short, I want to say you that in the UI mode, it is giving you option that you can run individual spec file, all that specs files, or particular test case you can execute it. So that is the benefit. Okay, so let it run. Then I will go with another beautiful features of this one. Okay, now another feature is that whenever you are running it, you can see beautiful part is that it is showing you the actions, all the actions under this test case. Let me click on this one. So you will see that for different, in this way I'm taking this action. So this actions tab is going to show you that under this test, how many actions are taken, like go to, then input files. Okay, same you can say in login, it goes to this one, click on username, then enter username, then click on. So this action tab is going to show you each and every steps are there. Okay, and the benefit is that if you are going to click on that, at the right side you can see the view of the browser, where it will show you that at this particular step what action was taken, like this one. Okay, now there is another tab that is called metadata. The purpose of this metadata is going to tell you about the information, like when it was started, duration, browser, the information of browser, like Firefox, what was the platform, viewport, what was the viewport, that is the, you can say, pixel wise. Okay, and it was a mobile or browser, something like is mobile file. So you will get the information here. Second thing, you can see that when you click on that, you will able to see that we have a lots of tabs are there, locator, source. So one of the you can say beautiful feature is source here. Whenever you are going to click on that, you can see the source code here. Okay, so if you are running, executing your test case here, you can at the same time you can see the logs here. Okay, so second thing, I will do one thing, let me run is this way. Okay, and we'll show you this particular one, and you can see that. So it took your control, you can say, this to the this claim one. Okay, now it is running in your browser. At the same time you can see that, at the same time you can say that it is running it here, and same action is, you can say, it is taking, if you can see that it's highlighting here one by one, it is highlighting here one. Let me show you this one. Yeah, you can say, so it is one by one it is going to the steps here. So this thing, you can say, you can run the execution or execution same time you can see the source code here. Okay, now I will show you the other feature that is called locate. What is locator? Suppose take the example, you want your test case is failing on a particular, you can say, step, and maybe the reason is that it is not able to find the locator, and maybe you have used the wrong locator. So for that purpose, in this UI mode, you can simply click on this option that is called pick locator, and if you want to find a locator of any option, you can simply click on that, and in this locator tab you will able to see that locator. Let me click on this one. So you can see that it is giving me the locator. So this is the feature of locator here. Now you can say what is action here. So action is all the actions are it is showing here. What is before and after that? Suppose take the example, if you are on this step and you want to see that what action is taken before here, so you can see that it's showing here, and if you click on, you can say after, you will see that what action is taken after here. Okay, so for example here you can say that if I going to click on this one, this one, and you can say it in this step, what you are doing, you are entering, you are going you have entered the username. If I click on before, you can say that actually before it has clicked on, and then after that it has entered the username. So at any particular step you can go with the before and after. That is the another beauty. So we have talked about locator, we have talked about the action before, we have talked about source code. Now this is the call. What is the benefit of call? It is going to show you that how much time is taken, what you can say parameter, actually what calls are taken here. So on particular steps you can see that different type of calls are there. Okay, now logs is going to show you that what logs is something like that. Okay, what actions you are taking. So it is showing you that, okay, you go to this particular website. Okay, if there are any errors, you can show in the errors. Console is something like that, everything which is captured, which is running in automation, so it captures the console. Networks, it is something like a browser feature, and the browser also you have seen that network is there. How many calls or APIs are triggered here, how many requests are triggers, not only API, how many requests are triggers, you can see that a status here. Okay, if there is attachment, you can find it here. So this is the, you can say, another beauty. One more thing I want to show you, that if you want to running this test case and you want to watch any particular one, so you can click on this one icon that is called watch. So I will do one thing, I will put my cursor here and click on watch. Okay, so you can say that the color is, you can say, it becomes green, and the benefit is that when I'm going to run it, so it will watch that particular you can say test case there. So because I have click on the watch here. So this is the benefit of the, you can say, watch, that it is going to show you that, okay, what action is taken at that particular step, and you can find your debug it easily. Okay, so let it run it. Okay, you can simply do one thing, you can little bit minimize it, and you can see the code, the steps it is trying to go step by step in the your source tab, and the same action is it is taking on the browser here. Okay, so this is happening here, this is happening here. Very good, very good. Okay, now you can see here. So now here you can say that it is showing you this one, like you can say this is highlighted here. Okay, so whatever again I'm saying that whatever place you want to show see, you can see it here. And now you can see that this time you can say it was due to some reason it was throwing error. So the benefit is that you can say that I'm able to show you that what is the benefit of this error tab. If there is some error, you can find the error and easily you can rectify it. Okay, so this is, you can say this one. Okay, now another benefit is that, let me do one thing, do one thing. Okay, I can show you there is one setting tab here. Okay, and setting tab, what is the benefit is that currently you can see that you are able to see this is a white theme. Okay, and you know that few people's like to the dark theme like IntelliJ. So in that case you can simply click on this dark mode and it will become in this mode here. Okay, so this is you can say about the dark mode. And now you can say it is the timeline. If you want to see the timeline related thing, you can find it. So I think these are the, you can say, options which are good, and you can utilize this for your debugging purpose. Okay, so I hope I have covered, you can say, all the important things of the UI mode for the debugging purpose. Still you have any doubt, you can put your doubt and queries in the comment of this video. If you like the video, you can click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.